Downtime and recurring network issues can bring business to a halt. At eConsortium, we keep your business reliable, connected, and running strong.
We partner with leading technology companies and are proud to support the success of thriving businesses. Here's what sets us apart. We boost reliability and productivity with 24/7 network monitoring and a team known for a high first-call resolution rate. When it comes to wireless networking, we deliver seamless Wi-Fi coverage across your offices, improving speed, mobility, and reliability. For remote work, our secure VPN access keeps your business data private, ensuring compliance and safe connectivity no matter where your team is working from.
Plus, from design to configuration, testing to optimization, we make sure your network is ready for what's next. With over 20 years supporting businesses, we bring both experience and efficiency. It's why clients look to us for expert guidance and solutions every time, and trust us to provide personalized support and personal attention like an in-house team. Don't let network problems slow you down. Partner with eConsortium today for reliable, secure, and scalable network support.